Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking furniture post for your social media in Canva. Creating a post for your social media in Canva is really easy. The best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your post from scratch on a blank page. You can simply modify templates that have already been created by professional and creative designers. So, go to Canva and go to the search bar and search for Furniture Instagram Post. We are creating a post for Instagram, which is why we have selected Instagram Post. And you can see the Canva templates available for you to explore. Just go to the URL and you can see everything from minimal designs to professional-looking templates. You can simply modify whichever one you like. Add your own details, and your post will be ready. So I will go with this one. This one is free, and you can choose whichever one you like. Thus, I will go with this one. This one is paid, but you can choose a free version. You will find hundreds of options, and whichever one you like, click on Customize this template. And now you have full access to customize or modify anything you like, as shown here. You can see that you can change whatever you like. So, starting with the text, if you want to customize it, just click on the text. If you want to add text, just double-click and add your own text, or remove any text. For more features, just click on the text. Here, you have the option to change the font. This option is for resizing your text. This one is for changing colors. This one is for making text bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. Like this, you can try all the text customization features. And that was it for the text customization features. Now, moving to the background. If you want to change the background color, just click on the background and change the color to any color you like. And that was all about the background. Now, if you want to replace this image with your own image, go to Uploads and upload your images from your PC. Your image will appear here. For now, I will just pick a random image from Pinterest. Maybe I will go with this one. I'll just copy it and paste it here. And now I'll just drag and drop it here, like this. I'll just drag and drop it, and my image will replace the template image. If you want to add another image, like this, you can simply click on it, and your image will appear here. You can just adjust it here, like this. And if you want to customize this image, here are the available features. You can just play with the features. You just need to try them. And whichever options you like, you can add, remove, or adjust as needed. So, in a similar way, you can modify and customize anything you want. You can add your own images, details, information, text, branding colors, logos, and everything else. When you are done with the design and are fully satisfied, export it, rename your file, go to Share, click Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format you need. Just download it, and your furniture post is ready to upload to Instagram or any other social media platform.